Hi, this is Matt from Modern Practicality, and I'm here with Arafat at Kebun Kaki Bukit Farm in central Malaysia. Haley and I have been here the past week helping Arafat out with projects around the farm, and today we're going to do a new project, and Arafat's going to tell you what it's about.
Today we're going to learn how to make a raised bed.
So to make a raised bed, you only need a few simple tools. The first one you're going to need is a hoe. We use a hoe because it's the most economical way to clear space for the bed. If you had a tiller, great, but this is the cheapest way. This is a long-handled cultivator. You use this to break up clumps in the soil. It helps make the beds helps make the soil better for planting. Then we have a digging fork. We use this also to break up clumps in the soil and to incorporate any soil amendments we add into the garden beds.
D-rake.
We use the D-rake to shape the beds. And then, lastly, there's a spring rake. We just use this to polish everything off at the end to make it look nice. And that's all you need.
Official na.
What's that?
For my raised bed picture.
This
It is a matter of following. Moving forward.
Yeah? You like it?
Looks nice and doesn't look so hard. I mean, it's not that hard to do.
Right.